In this video, I'll be reviewing this GE Universal Remote Control that can be paired with TV, cable boxes, DVD players, VCR players, and many different audio systems, including soundbars, amplifiers, home theater systems. This remote control is on the medium size. Over here, my hand goes right around it. It has a hump here for the batteries because this remote control takes two AA batteries, which are pretty common, and it also works with rechargeable ones. The buttons are big enough, very comparable to my original remote control for my LG television, and it has most of the basic features. One feature that is really nice to have, and most remote control does not, is the backlight. Every time you press a button, the whole remote control is illuminated, so it's very easy to use during nighttime. The illumination stays on for about 5-6 seconds, which gives you enough time to search for the button you want to press. Unfortunately, there is no way to turn this feature on and off, so this may drain your battery quicker than a remote control that does not have any sort of lights. But I'll be happily taking this trade-off to have this feature. Overall, I highly recommend this universal remote control. Setting it up with the different devices is very easy. You can do an automatic search, so the remote control will search for the code, or you can enter the code manually, and it comes included in the box with thousands of these codes to make sure that you find the specific code for your device. It has this shiny finish on the top, which also makes it easier to find in the dark, or if you're somebody that loses your remote control easily. I prefer this instead of a black remote control.